Alright. Now we're going to step away from, we're in the process of doing an S&B air intake system right now. But while I have the air box and the breather and all assembly out, now's the time I wanted to do my J&L oil separator. I know some of the videos of them out there. I wanted to do one with the actual air box gone, so you can see what hoses we're talking about. This is going to be your hose that you're going to be removing. So if you remove this air box, it'll definitely make life a lot easier to remove the air box. Undo the vent hose over here. Grab your coolant line that goes across the back of the air box. You'll pick it up here from the rubber pins. The 5/16 nut driver, you'll come down straight through the back, the hose clamps here, and then you'll undo the hose clamp on that side where the rubber hose for the breather. You'll pick it up to the passenger side, and it'll be tight on this clamp right here, but just wiggle it a little bit and that whole airbox assembly will come up. So we're going to push in on these gray connectors, give them a wiggle, and they'll come off. You have your other one right behind your power steering pump. Now that you disconnected it from the top, you can rotate it around so you can hit it with your thumb instead of trying to squeeze on it, because this one's easier to get to with that air box removed. Now we're going to have our bracket assembly. It's going to go right here. And we're just going to go through the entire assembly real quick. Alright. We'll square that up. Get that nice and tight. Now we're going to take our air breather assembly, just like the videos say. Line up your logos to your logos, and then you're just a Phillips head screwdriver. Start them with your finger, of course, and make it a little bit easier. Alright, then we'll take these and just snug these down. We'll take the one on the right, connect it to the valve cover, the other one, connect it right there, and you are ready to roll. You've now installed one. Of course, it makes it a lot easier with the breather removed. Like I said, grab the back of it, pull this up, the rubber bushings, 5/16 coming through there, and then flip the assembly up. You have the one line right here that'll come off with the gray push in, and it's that easy, y'all. You get this covered. These parts are available on stricklandoffroad.com as well. We're just a small little shop trying to have a good time and provide a good service. Thank you.